Hey guys, this is Ask Aki here. My name is Akshay. You can call me Aki. And today we're going to talk about something extremely awesome. Probably one of the most advanced technology you will see on my platform. It's hover camera. Let's get started. I wanted someone to follow me and take pictures and videos as I moved around. And I was like, who will do that? Bang! The hover camera. The hover camera is something that is extremely advanced. It basically has your Face ID done on your phone. So it basically knows who the master is. So the hover camera needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So step one, you have to switch on the hover camera. Step two, you have to basically go and connect to the Wi-Fi. Step three is the hover camera basically creates its own Wi-Fi, so you have to connect to that and you can then connect to your hover camera application. Step 4 is when you are connected to your hover camera application, and of course when the hover camera is switched on, you can do the Face ID. Once you do the Face ID, it basically knows who it is supposed to follow. It has few modes and they're like very different modes. The first one is it's supposed to follow you. So once you do that, you go on the application and you can check it out. There are like few modes and you can see one is to follow you, second is to orbit you. The orbit you is pretty sick, but you need big space. It won't just orbit you if the space is small, and you can obviously do it outside because that would be great because there is a lot of room for it to hover around you and orbit around you. So I think that's one of the best things because it'll basically give you a vertigo, but it'll give you the best video that you can create on a drone or on a camera. There is also this mode where it can take a group selfie, so you have like, I don't know, 50 people or I don't know, 3 people. It goes back, way back, and there's a mode on the phone, on the application. You can click that, goes way back and takes a killer selfie. It does replace the selfie stick, but it's way more than that. It's way advanced and it's extremely economical. I mean, you can buy drones for $1,000 and I got this for $300, so I think it's a pretty good deal, right? So there are more modes like jogging and walking and cycling. Of course you can walk and use it however you want, but jogging and cycling would be a very complicated mode to actually use. Hopefully it doesn't die because the battery life is only 10 to 15 minutes per charger. There are 2 chargers that you get in a box. I hope you can basically shoot what you actually have set in your mind. It has a 4K camera, that means it's crystal clear, and all you need is like a good daylight and you're gold. And it is less than a pound, so it's extremely portable. It does not require a FAA registration. That means you can fly it around anywhere with no hassles whatsoever. For Wi-Fi frequency band, you need 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. 2 of the limitations that I was not happy with is the first one is the charger. Now the charger is basically can only hold 10 to 15 minutes of flying the hover camera, but it has another backup battery, so you can basically fly it for probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes max. And what if it's not good enough for you? So the second limitation is it needs to have Wi-Fi wherever you go. So the problem is it does not connect to your data, your mobile data. If you don't have Wi-Fi around, how can you fly it outside? I mean, if you're positioning a product that is a outdoor companion and you don't let it connect to your mobile data, I mean, how you're supposed to fly it outside? So the only thing I could come up with a solution is to have a hotspot that basically gives you Wi-Fi on the go, and only then you can connect it and fly it anywhere you want. But apart from that, how are you gonna find Wi-Fi everywhere? This is a video I actually shot in my NYU class talking about the hover camera. I was very excited about it to show it to people. Here's a clip. Please check it out. You can see the red light blinking. Now it detected me, So now it will follow me everywhere that I can go. And the whole thing is that it is recording already. So I don't have to give it any instruction to record it. But if I want to take any picture, I have to just do this, the Chinese or Korean thing. Okay, it clicked and snap. It took a snap. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm extremely happy that you finished it. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment on it. If you have any questions, I'll make sure that I answer them. And if you see my other videos, I've answered all your questions. Have a great day and peace.